How to replace the disc brake adapter. Clamp the wheel in a vise with the right side axle flaps. Use the torque wrench and disc brake adapter tool to remove the lock ring. Remove the 17 mm nut from the axle and take the brake adapter off. Inspect and clean the thread of the hub shell. Place the new disc adapter on the hub. Apply a small round of thread locking adhesive to the lock ring. Once ready, place it onto the hub. Use the disc adapter tool and rotate it counterclockwise to find the start of the thread. Then rotate clockwise until you feel a resistance. Use the torque wrench, set the value to between 55 and 65 Newton-meters, to further tighten the lock ring. Then mount the dust cap, cupped washer and 17 mm nut. Make sure to remove any leftover thread lock from the hub shell. Now, you're all set.